Check it out, guys. Crew cab Silverado. We're gonna be doing panoramic black suede. We're gonna black out his plastics from the pillars, blacken those out up. Obviously everything else is dark gray, black. We're gonna go ahead and remove the headliner, get the whole interior part done, removed. We're gonna do a tighten window. So we got I see an amp back here, so we need to take the amp out, move it around. I might want to take these seats out and then get everything so I can have room for everything. Take the back window out and we'll start from there. Alright guys, we are done with the install. Platinum package for the customer down in Hatch, New Mexico. This thing came out badass.